Hello guys, in the previous lecture we have downloaded our jQuery files and now we are going to start jQuery practically. So in the body I'm going to write a button, click me, and after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a div with a class of box. Why I'm assigning it a class? Because I need to style that div later, and inside that div I'm going to call html tag. This should be hello world. So now I'm going to the style.css dot box. Width would be 200 pixel and the border would be 1px solid, and this should be black, and after that the padding would be 15px, and then the text align would be center. So I need to go to the browser to check. So we have got our div, our box over here. So now I'm gonna do next is I'm going to assign it in the center with the margin auto. So I need to check then whether it is working. Yes, it is working perfectly fine. So now I'm going to write the first code of the jQuery. In this lecture we are going to write the first code. So always remember one thing, that the jQuery starts with a $sign, then the two parentheses, and inside that two parentheses we are going to write document. This is a requirement of a jQuery, right? Then ready. I will tell you that what does that document.ready mean. And inside that, after that ready, we are going to write two parentheses, and inside that parentheses, we are going to write the function. Right. So, and this should be the semicolon at the end. All the code related to jQuery will be written inside that function document.ready. What does that document.ready mean? It means when the page has been completely loaded and the document is ready to execute. So we're going to write the function over here. Please ignore all these errors. These are just the hints, nothing else. So now what I'm gonna do, what I'm going to write the code is, when I will click on this button, click me, then this box will disappear. So we are going to learn that how to create a click method and a hide method in this lecture. So after that, dollar two parentheses, and in that parentheses I'm going to write the class of button. As you can see that I haven't created any class of button over here, so let me create a class, or it's up to you that you can just write button over here, button, right, dot click, after that two parentheses, then we are going to write a function, and inside that function what we are going to do, that when this button will click, then this box will disappear. Means dollar two parentheses, and after that the class of the box, it's up to me that whether I write the div or the class, but it is preferable to write the class index.js dot box, right? As you can see that when we want to style that box, then in the style.css we need to write dot in front of the div name, class name, or whatever. So index.js dot box dot hide. So we have created a function over here. When right, then after that when the button will click, then what it will do, then the box will disappear. So I need to check on the browser. Click. As you can see, when I click the button, the box has disappeared. So when I will write the show function over here, show, and when I click back, so the toggle function, what does that toggle do? Toggle will do, I will show you what does that toggle do. When I will click on this button once, then this box will disappear. Right, as you can see that the box has been disappeared, but when I will click it back, then this box will be shown to us. So as you can see that this box has been shown now. So what does that toggle means? Toggle means that toggle has two methods. First has show and another one has hide. Right, so guys, in this lecture we have learned that how to create a document.ready function, how to create a function, how to create a click function, and how to create the show and hide and toggle function. So uh, from the next classes we are going to learn on the selectors of jQuery. So till then, stay tuned. Have a nice day.